Welcome guys, so today I want to show you how quickly you can pair your LG Tone Free earphones with your iPhone. So at the first you have to remember to charge the case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. And once you make it, you have to open the case just like that. And in the most cases, this indicator on the front will start blinking. But if it is not happening in your case, just find this button on the left side of the case, then click and hold it. When the indicator is blinking, you will also hear voice notification. So right now, remove them from the case, just like that. Go for the settings. On your iPhone, go for the general. Oh, sorry guys, I mean for the Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher right here. And after a few seconds, these earphones will appear on the list. So we have to click once. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So yeah, that's all. That's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.